CashBack Plus puts money back into your wallet on everyday purchases. To get cash back on digital gift cards, start by logging into your account. In Computer Line, locate CashBack Plus to the right under Exclusive Member Offers. Click on CashBack Plus. Purchase gift cards by going to the Offers section. The For You page recommends offers you might be interested in. The Explore page lets you search by category or use the search bar to look for specific merchants. Choose where you want to purchase the gift card from and select the amount. Review the gift card details and click Confirm Purchase to complete the transaction. You'll receive an email confirming the purchase. Redeem the gift card by following the instructions in the email or by accessing the card in your CashBack Plus wallet. Try CashBack Plus today and start putting money back into your wallet.